Greetings everyone from the Nisqually Lodge. This is going to be my final hotel review in the Pacific Northwest on our 2023 tour. So this is, I believe this was about $150 to $200 for a 2-queen suite, which is what we're staying in right now, as you can see. And this hotel has a really rustic feel. We're only 5 miles from the entrance, the Paradise slash Nisqually entrance to Mount Rainier National Park. So we're only 5 miles away. It's a perfect location if you want to explore the park. And we just finished our journey throughout the park today. It was absolutely incredible. We got to finally see Mount Rainier. Even though it was a little bit cloudy, it was still beautiful. But you guys can see here, the rooms are very spacious. Over here in the corner, we have the Keurig set up. Of course, they give you 4 different flavors too. That's cool. Also the ice bucket, we're not going to be using that though. And then over here you can see the beds are really nice. They have like a nice wooden look to them, wooden headboard, which is always really nice. I like that. The TV is also the biggest one on the trip. The microwave is nice too. There we go. We also got large storage drawers, as well as a nice fridge too. Look at that. So yeah, we're not really going to be using it though that much because we're only here for a few more hours in the Pacific Northwest, unfortunately. I have all my camera equipment over here. And yeah, guys, look at that. It's nice and big. I'm also going to show you the entrance and everything. This is a very rustic place. It has a lot of taxidermy stuff inside. You guys could see the bathroom is really nice too. Nice and clean. Got all the towels there. And I don't believe this hotel has a pool, so that's all right. I mean, we swam a lot on this trip. So yeah, pretty standard here. Let's see, does that move? Oh, that does move. That moves really well too. Good. So yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for this short little room tour here at the Nisqually Lodge. Very clean. You guys could see everything. Just like that. And what's the soap products here? Eco Botanics. Cool. So yeah, we're gonna just relax now. We're gonna get all of our stuff packed up for traveling home. Our flight takes off at about 11:30 tomorrow from Seattle Airport. It's our first time going out of the Seattle Airport, so we're a little kind of apprehensive about it. I'm not sure what to expect. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this Pacific Northwest tour. I cannot wait to return one day because there's so much to see. We only just scratched the surface here. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the lobby. And then also there's a Ukrainian restaurant that serves authentic pierogies and like stuffed cabbage and borscht right down the road, which is like a beet soup. It's really delicious. So we're gonna go and fuel up, and then after that we're gonna probably try to fly the drone here because we're outside of national park grounds, so technically it's legal to fly the drone here. So we're gonna see the views we could get of Mount Rainier. But anyways, thank you for watching this review, this 2-queen suite review of the Nisqually Lodge in Ashford, Washington. And stay tuned for more adventures coming soon.